Okay, everybody, step one is layout. You just want to get the general idea of what's going on here. Get his general pose. Keeping it loose. Alright, now we're going to go in to define just a little more. It's not perfect. Loose pencils. Looking for reference here. Picture I was using was low def and it looks like crap. Alright, quick pause here. I wanted to let you guys know that if you guys are using paper instead of digital, what I just did was I erased the lines so then I could just see the impressions on the paper. That's basically how I ink. I think that's how most inkers do it, and also just to get the fine lines. Right here, whenever you see that, I'm just making the layer transparent, so then it's basically the same thing. Okay. These are tighter pencils. Again, I erase the lines. Now I'm going to go for the ink lines.
How are you? We are Venom.
Looking at it, he does have 2 rows of teeth. Just trying to keep it solid, a solid mass. Try not to break it up too much. The body is a solid form, although it has different parts. I gotta watch out for the muscles, the way that they are pulling along the rib cage, the pectoral muscles, because they're expanded. So I gotta make sure to watch out for that. And his muscles are bigger, so I need to play around with that. Now just fill in the solid blacks, spot blacks, just make sure that everything is, all the shadows are there. There's a couple different light sources, but he is solid black. So usually what comic artists do is they make solid blacks, like solid black characters. They sometimes use blue for the overall character, and then they shed in a lot of blacks. That's usually what they do. Usually. Again, if you guys like this, please subscribe, click the bell, keep up to date on everything coming out. I've got some cool future videos coming up. Now, Venom is a liquidy substance all over his skin, so we just need to look out for that. And so then I can go ahead and go into the body and try to make it swirly. There's a lot of freedom with it. Now we're just going to feather. That means basically make sure that the blacks do blend in with the rest of the body and get some black quote-unquote highlights. Like I said, he's like he's liquidy basically. He has white veins. So we gotta work that in. Just make sure that all the white light sources or light sources are coming in as well. You get some cool webbing in there for a little bit of effect. Yeah. And we're done. Okay, everybody, thank you for joining me. Remember, subscribe, click the little bell, and, you know, I'll see you guys later.